Okay, so this is the acupuncture and the heat together. Okay, sometimes they use acupuncture and moxibustion together.
Yeah.
And sometimes they use acupuncture with cupping together. And or with cupping, is put the glass cup and then heat up and then put on and suck the.
So do they put the needles and then they put the cup on the top?
Yeah, on the top.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, so this is for the cough. Okay.
Okay.
Feel a little bit warm or not?
No, don't
not
feel
yet.
it yet.
Okay, not feel yet. Lower it. Let me see that.
And then I've heard that sometimes they put. I mean, I heard about one lady who put like